Discover the potential of earning full commissions with our groundbreaking step-by-step guide. Welcome to the world of starting your own pet care and pet sitting business with confidence through 21 pages of detailed tutorials. Many others are seeking information on how to start a pet sitting business. Alternatively, you can sell this how-to guide to those looking to start their own pet sitting business and receive 100% profit from each sale. For just $25, own this comprehensive guide and seize the exciting opportunity to not only be a buyer but also a potential seller. Take it a step further by opting for the audio version and get both versions for just $45. Act now and claim your printed copy by calling or sending a text message. 352-286-8014. But why stop at just a purchase when you can turn it into a lucrative money-making opportunity? Learn how to build your mailing list using this guide as a lead magnet, attracting more leads and customers to your programs, business tools, opportunities, and other products and services. Maximize your $25 investment by advertising this report in direct mail, niche-related ad magazines, low-cost ad sheet publications, or with flyers and postcards. Alternatively, use free advertising options like posting the flyer ad on bulletin boards in your local community. Opt for the hassle-free option with our done-for-you service for an additional $10. Michael will handle printing and mailing the 21-page report. You just provide the customer's details. The exclusive audio version, only available through Michael for $20, complements the $25 printed copy of the guide, allowing you to keep 100% of the profits, as the dealer and reseller, when you sell this incredible and new info product. Authored by Michael Jensen, this guide ensures ease of understanding. Making some good money can be easy for you by selling this report to the right person who is wanting these details about starting a pet sitting business. Act now. Call or text now to secure your copy. 352-286-8014. Remember, resale and reprint rights will come with your $25 purchase. Original author, Michael Jensen. Copyright 2023 Michael Jensen, Daily Cash Team. All rights reserved. Don't miss out. Let's go make some money. 352-286-8014. Call now.